Hello again, La Suerte Dance School, Michal and Anna. We continue our song course. Today we are going to teach you, let's call it first song trick. So there are moments in song when we are dancing on the same foot. So guys are starting on 2 with the left leg, when girls obviously do the same. We'll show you how to do this change, and we'll show you how to apply it into quite funky move. So let's do it straight away. First we'll show you the whole move. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4. Okay, quite funky, quite funky. You see that it's based on 2 elements that we already know. One is sombrero. Sombrero move, again, I'll attach the link in the description if you need it. And second thing is the crossing step. Very basic, cross front and back. Again, I will attach the link if you need to review that. We start with dilekeno, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Then sombrero, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. And now on 5, I make extra step. She doesn't. And on 6, I'm already with her, crossing back. 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. And 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. We'll do the same part again, more fluently, still very, very slowly. So you see the legs change. So basically, from guy perspective, the footwork is 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 2. So for the whole sombrero, I'm going stationary. On 5, I add extra step to land in Anna's rhythm. 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4. What is also important from a lady's perspective is to not to add the step on 5. You might feel like, guys, doing another step, I should react. No, you carry on with your rhythm. It's guys' problem to sort it out. Okay, now how to get out? So we are crossing back on 6, 6, 7, 8, and I open arm, I prepare her for 1 turn and a half to her right. She starts rotating, and again, I'm on spot. 2, 3, 4, 5. I made another step on 5, so 4 steps in a row, and then dilekeno on 6, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll show you this section fluently. So we start crossing back on 2. Sorry, we start crossing back on 6. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, get ready, 2, 3, 4, 6 on 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. And that's basically it. All you have to do is to maintain your footwork, guys, and try to lead meanwhile. Quite tricky to combine these 2 elements together. We'll do whole move from the beginning to the end. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, go, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, and finish. 6, 7, hop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. There is alternative way to finish it. Instead of adding step, you can take away step. I'll leave it with you. If you want to play around and do the other variation, go for it. We'll do it one more time for opposite camera. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and we go. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, finish. 6 on 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And 2. Really no guapea in the end, but you know how it works now, yeah? So if I wanted to continue, I would go with the next move, I would close position. Many things could happen there. You already learned a couple of variations, a couple of options, what to do at that point, but I'll put the music on and we'll practice it together. 6, 7, 8. And we go. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tum tum pa, tum tum pa, tum tum pa. Finish. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quite fast. The same. Hop. Tic tic pa, tic tic pa, tic tic pa. Finish. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. And let's go. Woo. Tic tic pa, tic tic ah. Tic tic pa, tic tic pa. And we go. Hop. Very good. I can imagine that you have to practice this move in slower tempo than we were dancing right now. Obviously, you have an option to slow down our video. So you can put it in 75% of speed or half of the speed. There are buttons and controls on the bottom of the player. If you press the settings, you can change the playback speed. We do recommend you using this option, especially for you, we record this video 60 frames per second, so you can slow them down and they still should be quite fluent. Okay, this is definitely a thing to practice, and this is move that is very characteristical for son. You will see quite rarely people do moves like that in salsa. So if you would like to see more tricks and elements very characteristical for son, like, subscribe and press the bell, like, subscribe and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, you can become a patron of our channel. Try to dance also with different songs. Yeah? Obviously, when we are playing songs for you on YouTube, we are very, very limited. We can't play any song we would like to. We can't play even like if we have good slow songs, again, we can't really play them during our classes. We are stuck with this song. It's a very nice song though. So practice with other songs, practice with different music, practice finding rhythm and using these new elements with different songs. Especially when you have to change the rhythm from the guy step to the girl step. This might be still a bit tricky. So again, practice, practice, practice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.